Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Loose Pigments is probably one of the most versatile and exciting makeup products out there. Today, we're diving deep into the world of loose eyeshadow pigments, exploring their vibrant colors, incredible versatility, and how to use them to create stunning eye looks. From dazzling shimmers to intense mattes, we'll cover everything you need to know to choose the perfect pigments for your collection and elevate your makeup game to the next level. Number 5. Rolio Mica Powder Pigment Set. Introducing Rolio Mica Powder, available in a variety of vibrant colors. This pigment mix is easy to use and versatile for many projects. It will make your project pop. Rolio's artisan-made colors use stronger pigment to give you the exact color you need. A little powder goes a long way, making it cost-effective for all your crafting needs. Make your next DIY project pop. Use safe, cosmetic-grade pigments for your art project or scrapbooking. It's perfect for epoxy resin, soaps, candles, and more. Rolio's fine pigments are formulated by artists and craftsmen to be safe and easy to use. Each resealable jar contains approximately 10 grams of resin pigments. Rolio Mica Powder is a long-lasting powder that can be used for any number of projects or crafts. Use it for soap making, epoxy resin, candles, and more. The possibilities are endless with this product. What we like. This product offers a wide array of vibrant colors, perfect for making your projects pop. Its professional-grade pigments ensure you get the exact color you need with minimal product. If you're looking to add a splash of color to your DIY projects, from resin art to nail polish, this is the one for you. What people say. The color is magnificent. Works well in resin. Looks amazing when cured. The colors are vibrant for the most part. I used this kit for automotive use. I used silver ash. It went on easily at 26 psi through a 1.4 tip. I used it in clear binder at 5 grams a quart on a black base. It came out just as I had hoped. Then I used it in a translucent resin in my 3D printer. Another home run. It's easy to use. The mica powders mix very well in the resin. My projects look beautiful. Number 4. Kalolary 12 Colors Nail Pigment Powder. This colorful nail powder comes in 12 trendy shades. It allows you to create beautiful manicures to your liking. You can apply different colors to create various nail art designs. This nail powder is non-toxic and brightly colored. It's perfect for creating gradient nails. In normal lighting, it appears as a vibrant and visible powder. Using this product is very easy. First, keep your nails clean, then apply a base coat. Next, apply a thin layer of the powder, and finish with a top coat. It only takes a few minutes to decorate your nails. This powder is suitable for UV gel nails, acrylic nails, and natural nails. It's a helpful tool for DIY nail art design. You can also apply it to your face and body for added effects. The nail powder jar has a tight cap to prevent spills. Please open the jar carefully to avoid the powder flying out. This will help prevent any unnecessary loss of the product. What we like. With its non-toxic formula and 12 vibrant shades, this product makes nail art easy and fun. It's incredibly easy to apply, requiring just a few simple steps. If you're a nail art enthusiast looking for a quick and colorful way to elevate your manicure, you should definitely consider this. What people say. The glow they give is out of this world. It's not just a shimmer, but a true, radiant glow that catches the light from every angle. The colors are vibrant and highly pigmented, with a beautiful, almost metallic finish. They blend effortlessly, making it easy to create a seamless, glowing eye look. Number 3. UCANBE Moonlight Eyeshadow Palette. Introducing the UCANBE Moonlight Eyeshadow Palette. This palette is perfect for creating stunning eye looks. It's a must-have for any makeup enthusiast. This palette features 22 vibrant shades. It includes a variety of matte, shimmer, and glitter finishes. You'll find the perfect color for any occasion. The formula is safe and gentle on your skin. It's free from parabens, mineral oil, and other harsh ingredients. You can wear it all day without worry. Experience intense color payoff with this eyeshadow. The colors are vibrant and long-lasting. It will keep your look fresh all day or night. The eyeshadow has an ultra-smooth formula. It glides on effortlessly and blends easily. This allows you to build color seamlessly. This eyeshadow is compact and lightweight. It's easy to carry for on-the-go touch-ups. It's ideal for both professionals and everyday users. What we like. This product boasts a vibrant color selection, perfect for any occasion. Its skin-friendly formula is gentle enough for everyday use, and the intense pigmentation ensures a long-lasting look. If you like a variety of shades and want a product that's both safe and long-lasting, this is a great choice. What people say. It's super pigmented and applies very smoothly. I didn't experience any fallout and it lasted all night. Quality of the shadow is nice. It's pretty pigmented, so I find I need to use a light hand-on application, but it blends well and doesn't go patchy during the day. The blue shade is exactly what I was looking for to add some subtle color toward the inner third of my eyes to make my brown eyes pop. It works really well for that, especially when applied over an eyeshadow primer, or when I spray my brush with setting spray before dipping it into the eyeshadow. Number 2. Neon Face and Body Paint Pigment Powder Kit. This makeup pigment powder set includes 12 UV-reactive neon pigments. They shine bright in daylight and glow in the dark under blacklight. It's perfect for rave, parties, festival, cheer, cosplay, or Halloween looks. Unleash your creativity with pigment powder that works on eyes, lips, face, body, hair, and even nails. You have total freedom to create bold eyeshadow, vivid nail pigment powder, or full body art. Each ultrafine pigment blends easily and packs a punch of color. Layer it for high drama or buff it out for a soft haze. It's makeup that moves with you, not against you. Our neon makeup is cruelty-free and crafted in a GMP-certified facility. You can glow with peace of mind. We're a women-led small business on a mission to create beauty that keeps up with real life. Create your look in minutes and remove it just as fast with makeup remover or wipes. This is designed for quick transformations without the mess. What we like. This product is designed to glow under blacklight, making it perfect for parties and festivals. It's versatile enough to be used on your face, body, and even nails. If you're looking to make a statement and stand out at your next event, this is the product for you. What people say. They glow so well. Easy to use. They look great in regular light or UV light, super pigmented, lasts around 3 to 4 hours and came off pretty easily with a makeup wipe. It is so strong and vibrant. Number 1. Coffee Latte Pink Eyeshadow Palette. This eyeshadow palette combines organic and mineral makeup. It's talc-free and gentle on your skin, perfect for those who prefer natural options. It's an eco-friendly choice. The loose glitter eyeshadow includes hot and light pink shades. This makes it a versatile choice for any makeup look. You can create both subtle and bold looks with it. The pink glitter eyeshadow has a stunning shimmer finish. This duochrome eyeshadow palette offers a unique, eye-catching look. It's perfect for any occasion. This cool-toned palette features brown and pink eyeshadow shades. It's a neutral palette suitable for everyday wear. You can also use it for special occasions. This pink eyeshadow palette is crafted with care using the finest organic ingredients. You can enjoy a safe, high-quality product. It's a talc-free and natural option. What we like. This product combines organic and mineral makeup, offering a talc-free option that's gentle on your skin. It includes a variety of shades, perfect for creating both subtle and bold looks. If you're looking for an eco-friendly, high-quality eyeshadow palette with a stunning shimmer finish, you should consider this. What people say. Simple ingredients. No talc, no FDNC colors, no oils or preservatives or spooky stuff. According to the box, the ingredients are just mica, iron oxides and titanium oxides. That's it. It has wonderful buildable color and sparkle. Made in USA, nice packaging. Easy to apply. I also use some as a bronzer. The powder itself is very soft and fine. It goes on my eyelids easily and does not make a mess like others I have tried. It is very shimmery, so if you want to add some shine, all you need is a little over your color. You can use more to get to cocoa color also, which is very beautiful. You can use the powder either dry or wet. It just depends on the type of look you are going for. It's great quality, it lasts all day. It's a stunning dark purple glitter and almost a black undertone. It's not especially heavily pigmented, though. To me, it's better as a topper than as a standalone color, unless you're wanting something a little more sheer. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.